Today we are here at Autohub BGC to witness the launching of one of the brand's 7 Nexthub Auto Care services. Let's see what they have to offer. Come join us. The Nexthub services offered by the Autohub Group targets customers who are past their warranty periods. Here, they can get casa-like services without the casa price. Additionally, they can get genuine parts or high-quality replacement parts, both of which will come from Autohub's partners. And here to tell us more about Nexthub is Autohub's President, Willy T10.
Hi, I'm Willy T10, President of the Autohub Group. Today, we're launching Nexthub. Nexthub is basically a service facility or a service workshop where you bring your car, especially after the warranty period, where most of the clients nowadays, after the warranty period, they go to 3-star shops. So we're now offering an alternative, which is Nexthub. The difference between a casa and a Nexthub is because sa casa, you are obliged to get the original parts. No? That is correct, especially during the warranty period, because it voids the warranty if you get an aftermarket part. For Nexthub, after the warranty period, normally customers have the option to either stay with original parts or if they want a replacement parts. Because normally a replacement part would be less expensive, as should I say. So in Nexthub, you have that option if you want an original part or an aftermarket part. Anything the car needs, we can service it. Not only for engine repair, preventive maintenance, but including a body and paint. No? We have a sister company called Paint Hub that will take care of the body and paint repairs. To all the vehicle owners out there, after your warranty is expired, please do consider Nexthub. We opened 7 branches today, and it will be located in the north, the east, the south, the west, and even at the center of Metro Manila. So there's no Nexthub that is far from where you're staying or where you're working. So please do drop by any of our Nexthub facility. You can visit our website, you can visit our Facebook page, and you'll see everything there. Whatever your vehicle needs, especially after the warranty period, we're here to serve you.
During the event, the Autohub Group revealed some of its many partners, which include the Automobile Association of the Philippines, or AAP, Motolite Batteries, and Shell Fuels. Together with its partners, Nexthub is looking to offer its customers a robust list of services for all types of automobiles and all types of car owners. So there you have it, a quick look at Autohub's Nexthub services. To find out more about these services, kindly visit our website at carmudi.com.ph. Again, this is Paulo Papa, and we'll see you on the next video.